Hello again. Now, I would like to show you and make with you a very fun instrument that it's very easy to make and very easy to have fun with. So, what we're gonna be doing today, it's a recycled drum. A recycled drum can be almost anything, but always you have to make sure you have permission to use the object that you're going to be using, because if they are going to use it for something else, it might break when you play. So, first of all, we have to always ask for permission for whatever we want to use, or ask what can we use. Okay? So, first of all, we need an empty container. It can be almost any container, from coffee, from protein, from laundry, detergent, from almost anything that you can imagine. You can find an empty container, clean it very well or dry it very well if it's from liquids, and make sure that you can use it. Okay? So once you have your container, it can be any container, you have to find a way to decorate it. So again, you can find at home if you have some paint, if you have colored papers, even if you have white paper, you can get creative, see? And make some decorations for your drums, okay? Always, color tapes are also a good choice, stickers, anything, even plain white paper, you can always draw or color it. So make sure you find something that you can use to decorate your drum, okay? And then, once we have our drum decorated, we are going to need also drumsticks. What can we use as drumsticks? Well, the first thing that comes to my mind that can be very easy to find and they sound very good, it's chopsticks. Yes, like those that you use on Asian food, Chinese food, Japanese, sushi. So if sometimes you can ask for food from these places, well, you can always save a pair of chopsticks and wash them very well, and once they're clean, well, you can use them to play. See? Now, if you don't happen to have chopsticks, well, you can try to find something else. Wood always sounds good. So for example, another thing that I found in my kitchen was 2 spatulas, see? Wooden. And of course, you have to ask if you can use them, or maybe not. But if you do, well, you can play with them and they will sound also very nice. See? What other things could you use if you don't have anything that's wooden? Well, you can always use plastic. Very easy to find. Plastic spoons, yeah. Let's try on this one. See? Plastic spoons also work very well. If you're gonna use anything else, remember, always ask, can I use these? Because these, used as drumsticks, they can eventually break. Okay? So, make sure you have a nice decoration for your drum. It can be metal, it can be plastic, and your drumsticks, oops, usually are good if they are wood or plastic. Because if they are metal, they are not gonna sound that good. Okay? But The metal can be good for a drum. Even I can play it with the hands. See? They even sound good. Now let's hear my drum with the metal and the plastic. Now with the wood. It makes a little more hard noise. Now with the bigger wood. Much more loud. So let's keep it quite a little low, and also we want to be able to play at a lower level, so that way we show that we are good drummers, controlling our volume. Okay, so that's it for today. I want to see your drums next time, because we're gonna have some rhythm with our drums. Bye bye.